Hey, welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is August yeah, August the 30th, 2020. It's a Monday after. It's early at Monday afternoon, and it's time for the Buckeye State's daily COVID-19 analysis. Of course, as we always got to remind ourselves that back in February 2020, this year 2020, the governor's office came out and stated that that COVID-19 deaths have been undercounted by close to 4,000 during the fourth quarter of 2020. So the governor's response was to take those numbers for those 3 days and add them on to the numbers for February 11th, 12th, and 13th of 2021. Okay, which completely blew the rest of these numbers out of the water. So the solution for us is to replace these numbers here with the average number of deaths per day for those 3 days, and this is the average number of deaths. Okay, so as you can see, these numbers are still higher here, but these are much closer to being an actual fact. Let's take a look at some summary statistics here. Okay, max, mean, median, outliers, and so forth. Now what you can see here is December, we had a long declining pattern down. I want you to remember this date now, July, when it began to climb back up. You can see that the numbers have climbed back up or are just above the actual linear regression line, which isn't good. But why? It's interesting that these numbers seem to be increasing. That the numerous countries are seeing increases in cases and deaths beginning at some point in July. Is that the latest variant that's causing this? But again, of course, we also have to keep in mind that the vaccines which we're all taking is it doesn't keep us from getting COVID-19. And there's no guarantee that it'll keep us from dying from COVID-19 if we get COVID-19, okay? Very important. But because it doesn't keep us from getting COVID-19, COVID-19 cases are going to continue to go up, and the media and the government will use these cases to continue to lock down the economy, to shut down businesses and stuff like that. Okay? What about cases? Well, you can see here the number of cases, median, mean, so forth. Again, this red line is 70 moving average. But look, there's this increase again beginning in early July and continuing up into August. Why are we seeing it? And it's not just the U.S. You see it in Sweden, you see it in Israel, you see increases beginning in July, mid-July. Okay, now why is that? Well, it's because the vaccine doesn't keep people from getting cases. Okay. Anyway, I know a broken record, but it really is, unfortunately, a really critical point. How can we expect COVID-19 cases to disappear if the vaccine doesn't keep people from getting sick, catching COVID-19? Anyway, Buckeye Nation, hey, thanks so much for your time, Buckeye Nation, and we'll catch you tomorrow with a new report.